Hi guys, Shay Niche here. Thank you for stopping by my channel, Shay Love Hair. Today we're going to be talking about this gorgeous hair sent to me by B Famous Beauty. The curl pattern name is Tyra. And so today we're going to be doing a few different things. We're going to be doing a maintenance video just to show you how we refresh the hair. And then later on I'll show you my nighttime routine and how I get it ready for the next day in the morning. So I'll try to put timestamps of everything in the description box below so that, if you don't want to know how to refresh it, you just want to know my nighttime routine, it'll be tagged down below. So that I'm just showing you is the product that came with the braids. It's called their crochet snapback spray. And I want to say it's sold separately on the website, but it also comes with the hair. So the instructions on it was to use a light amount. You don't want to use too much. They said if you want to go ahead and wet the hair to continue with water. So I sprayed a little bit of the snapback spray and then I misted my hair with water until it was damp enough for me to start separating the curls. What you're seeing here, you guys, is really nothing new. We've all been through this before where we're just separating the curl. And so basically we're separating the curl. We're going to trim out the little knots that occur while we're separating and then shape it if needed and then move on. That's basically it. So I'm going to let you watch this and I'll be back when we start talking about the nighttime routine. Oops, I forgot to mention, of course, there's an installation video on this hair. I'll link it down in the description box below. Be sure you check that out and also be on the lookout in the coming weeks for the final thoughts on this hair. And if you have any questions, of course, drop it in the comment section. Okay, and the only thing in that bottle there is some leave-in conditioner, some coconut oil, and water. And then I pretty much just shake it up and I squeeze and put on my scalp just to help, give me a little refresh and make sure that everything stays moisturized underneath, because of course if you don't care for your hair underneath the protective style, then it's not actually a protective style, right? Hey, did I tell y'all that Be Famous Beauty is a black owned company? That's why I am all over it. So y'all go check them out. Of course, everything about them, their how to contact them, their Instagram, website, all of that will be in the description box below. So yeah, go see them and tell them Shay sent you. Hi, y'all, and I gotta lay those edges down. I mean, not everybody crazy about edges, but I need them. I need them to survive. All right, y'all. That's it on that. That's it for the maintenance. As you can see, like it's back. It's back, right? Where that little frizz go? It's out of here. Yep, that's it. So moving on to the nighttime routine, right? We're back at it, right? So we're going to go ahead and separate our hair into sections. We're basically just going to braid it, right? I mean, that's it. Now, if you have issues separating the three legs that you need, like for braiding, then possibly you need to go back through and kind of separate the curls some that night before you put your hair up. But if you do that maintenance part about once a week, you really shouldn't have that issue. But like I said, if you do, maybe do a little something strenuous during the day and the hair might get a little bit more frizzy or whatever, then of course take that step before you do this. But if not, if you like me, you the regular schmegular, you sit in the cubicle, your hair is not going to be that frizzy. So basically just at night I just separate it into sections and braid it basically, and then I'm gonna put it in a bunnet, and that's it. So yeah, that's it. I mean, we got the bonnet on, and now, I mean, we can go to bed. So after that, let's just for pretend that like it's the next morning and we're going to get ready to go to work. All I'm doing is I'm braiding it, kind of fluffing it out, and then do my little flip, my little toss. Y'all know how I like to do, whatever. But I mean, that's it. That's all. So, yeah, tell me what you think. If you have any questions, drop it in the comment section. And don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up, share it with your friends. And if you haven't already, subscribe. Be a part of the family, y'all. I'll see y'all later. Peace and blessings.